Alright, let me ask you a question. When do you think your body really starts to age? Is it when you start seeing wrinkles? When you first notice a gray hair? Or maybe when you can't remember where you left your keys? Well, I've got some news that might actually surprise you. A new study from the Chinese Academy of Sciences just uncovered some fascinating clues about how and when our bodies start shifting into aging mode. And trust me, it's probably earlier than you think. So here's what the researchers did. They collected tissue samples from people ranging from teenagers all the way up to folks in their late 60s. Then they looked at the proteins inside these tissues. Why proteins? Well, proteins are like the workhorses of our cells. They're built in tiny cellular factories using blueprints called messenger RNA. When we're young, these factories run smooth. But as we age, they start making more mistakes. Think of it like a car engine that starts sputtering after years of use. Now here's the wild part. After looking at samples from organs like the heart, liver, lungs, skin, muscles, pretty much the whole works, the data showed that the real acceleration in aging starts between ages 45 and 55. Yep, that midlife birthday isn't just a number, it's when your cells really start showing their age. But it gets even more interesting. Not all organs age at the same rate. Some, like your spleen, aorta, and adrenal glands, actually start aging around age 30. That means parts of your body are already hitting the fast-forward button long before you start seeing crow's feet in the mirror. The aorta, for example, goes through its biggest protein changes between ages 45 and 55. So your heart's main highway is leading the way in this biological marathon. One of the scientists called this new research a beautiful roadmap for tracking how our organs age. And while it sounds kind of daunting, there's actually a huge silver lining here. See, understanding exactly when and where aging happens on the cellular level could help us design new treatments, not just to add years to our lives, but to make sure those years are healthy and active. Imagine living 10 or even 20 years longer, but still feeling good, going for walks, traveling, playing with grandkids, because your organs are staying young too. But here's the catch. According to experts, while you can absolutely change your aging trajectory later in life, the window to do it is pretty short. So if you're approaching that midlife milestone, now's the time to double down on the basics. Keep your blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol in check. Don't smoke. If you drink, keep it minimal. And yeah, diet and exercise absolutely matter. Genetics and a little bit of luck play a role too. But this new research suggests that making positive changes, even after 40, can still pay off. In fact, making healthier choices at age 45 or 50 could give you up to 10 more years of good health. So the real takeaway? Aging isn't just something that happens when you retire, it's happening right now, on the inside. But the science is showing us that with the right moves, you can slow it down, and maybe even enjoy a longer, healthier life than you ever expected. And hey, that's pretty exciting, isn't it? Please share, comment, and subscribe.